Pivot tables can be used to organize complex blocks of data and help you gain a better understanding of them.
You can insert a pivot table by clicking somewhere in your data, going to Insert and choosing Pivot Table. Here we've got the right range and we're going to put it on a new worksheet so that we can manipulate it. Firstly, let's examine basket 1. We want to know, and we'll drag it to values. We want to know the count of each item. Great, we've got 1 bread, we've got 2 milks, and we've got 1 soup. So if this was a large list, that would have helped us not be confused by a number of the same items. Here we've just got a simple summary. And you can drag things around, and if it was numbers, you might go to this thing called value field settings and change it to the sum rather than the count, but because ours is text, we're going to use count. And if we don't want to use basket 1 anymore, let's use basket 2. Basket 2 has no milk, for example. You can also use recommended pivot tables by going to Insert, Recommended Pivot Table, and there it is. We can just grab any one of those we want. Let's check out basket 4. There we go.